Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to express the light effect in the display cabinets. Earlier I talked about how to use construction in advanced tool to make hidden light strips on the walls and ceilings. So many of you might also want to ask how to do the same effect for a cabinet. That is a completely different way to achieve the hidden light effect in the cabinets than on the wall or ceiling. So I'm going to talk about how to do it with customized lighting. If you would like to know how to make light strips on walls and ceilings, you can search for the keyword light strip in our channel. We had a project that is almost finished before. So let's demonstrate with this bookcase in the study room. First of all, enter the screen for customizing lighting effects. It's on the left panel. You will see a lot of light sources below. Here we will utilize rectangular light source. Click on the rectangular light. Enter the 2D view to determine the position of the light on the plan. Adjust the size of this rectangle so that it is slightly smaller than the plan of the cabinets. Then let's enter the 3D view. Adjust the area light source below the horizontal panel. Then enter the 3D view. Move the area light source below to the horizontal panel. Here is a trick that you have to pay attention to. The light source must be set to glow on both sides. In this way, the light can be accurately knocked down from the panel, so that it will not be affected by the position error between the light source and the panel. The switch of double-sided light appears on the panel in the lower right corner. Below, you can also set other parameters for this light source, such as color temperature, illuminance, and so on. After setting the light source parameters, you can copy the right one. Well, if you know the distance between each panel, you can input the height as the dimension between the light source to the ground, which is in the lower right corner, in order to locate it properly. Maybe we need to always switch between 2D and 3D views so that it's easier to operate. You can either drag it manually with slight error that won't make huge difference. Once it is completed, we can make a render attempt to check the effect. Then we go to the gallery. If you're still not satisfied with the overall effect of the light, you can go back to the lighting customization to reset some of the parameters. Now that's all about how to make hidden light effect in any cabinets in Cool Home. It works for either single model cabinet from our public library or the one that is built in advanced kitchen bath and customization tool. Thank you and see you next time.